I try this or this first?
No, so you can actually, here, so go back. Escape. So go ahead and turn it to the on position. So where your dashboard lights up. You could sit inside if you want to be easier. No, I'm thinking he could.
Oh.
I can't get a good camera picture if he's not, you know. So. Oh yeah, so leave it like that, perfect. He's a professional. So, sorry, smart key is a push to start, so hit no. There you go, perfect.
Yes.
Amazing.
Okay, next.
All right, control unit. And then immobilizer. Do you know your door code, by the way?
No.
Okay, we'll get that for you after. Remember that's lock that screen in your memory because you're gonna have to go back there. All right, immobilizer.
Okay.
Yep. Add. Perfect.
Okay.
Yep. Basically, if the alarm's going off, it's a longer process, but okay, press OK. But because you have your key for sure, the alarm's not going off.
Gotcha.
All right. Press OK. Cannot communicate. Is that plugged in still?
This is, yeah.
Yeah, okay, go back. That's weird. We got 0 volts. Why do we got 0 volts? Something's off. Let's start again. But we should not have zero volts, that's for sure. Unplug and plug that other one back in real quick. I'll hold that for you. Now we got 12 volts, that's good. I don't know why I did that.